Hi guys, welcome back to Ari Has Ideas, and today we're going to be making 2 DIYs with Dollar Tree's trees, and one of them is a bonus DIY, so let's get started! So first you take out the tree from its box. So once you do that, you take off the stuff from the bottom, and then you just take out another tree and free it from the box, and just do the same thing. So now we're going to fluff the tree, and we're going to fluff the tree to one side, because if you don't do this, the tree, it's going to be so bare. And if you fluff it to one side and then you get another tree, you fluff it to another side, you put it together, it's gonna be it's gonna have more branches than it did before. It's still a little bare, but later on with the decoration, you'll see how it is. So after you're done fluffing them both to one side, like this one, I felt like they have a different amount of branches for some of them. Because the two that I had, I felt like one moved forward than the other when I fluffed it, and I was like, what did I do? But I think they're just different amounts of branches on each tree, but I don't know that for sure. But anyway, so once you're done fluffing both the trees, you put them together and see how it looks like that. So once you put them together, you just hot glue it. Hot glue both sides, and please do this with adult supervision to make it burn. So anyway, now there's your tree. You just try to secure it on there. So then I found this cute bucket at the Dollar Tree. I don't know if they still have it because there was only one left when I got mine. But anyway, I'm gonna secure the trees together with a little bit more glue. But anyway, the bucket that I was talking about, that was the last one that I saw there. So I don't know if they still have it, Dollar Tree, in other Dollar Trees. They probably do. Anyway, you put in the bucket, and then you get this little filling from the party section, and then you just put it in there. And I started putting a little bit at a time, because I feel it makes the tree fit in better. Because if you just dump it all in one shot, the tree's not gonna have any space. So you just fluff that, just push that those pieces in, because then it's just gonna fall. And it still does fall, when you're decorating it does fall. But anyway, it's better, because at the bottom when you hot glue the two together, there's this little space with the two poles that's really weird. So just doing that makes it look better. For the decoration, and this is gonna make your tree look so much better. So first my mom's gonna help me with this because she's really good at decorating. So first we're gonna take this little piece of ribbon and put it inside the tree, and we did that 3 times. Yeah, we did that 3 times on and move the tree around, and then we started hanging up ornaments on there. And these ornaments you can find at the Dollar Tree as well. I don't know where you can find this ribbon, but I'm pretty sure you can put any ribbon on there. So then then they also have some bells. So I also put some of those bells, and I put the star on the tree. That they also have these mini stars at the Dollar Tree too. So that's really cool too. And then we curled some ribbon, and we cut it off, and then we made this cute bow well, my mom made this cute bow, and you just put it at the top of the tree. So there you go. You're practically done with the tree. It looks really cute. This is how it looks when you put it with other decorations, and you can see my little tree in the bottom there too. So time to do the bonus DIY, which is a tree swag. So this is how you make it. First you take off all the stuff like on the bottom, and then you just hot glue the two trees together, because you'll need 2 trees. And I'm sorry for the video quality, it's kind of like bad, like it's so close. That's why I put it as a bonus DIY. But anyway, you secure it by adding some more hot glue. And now while you're waiting for that to dry, you fluff the tree. And then once you fluff the trees, time to add the ribbon. So see that little part that's kind of like weird on there? Now you just wrap it in some ribbon, and you hot glue the start and the end with hot glue. Then you make like a bow out of the ribbon, and it's really easy. It's like when you tie your shoelaces and you make that bow. Basically the same thing you're doing here, and then to curl the bottom, you just wrap it around your finger and leave it there for a little bit. So next you're gonna decorate it, and you can decorate this however you like. And this is how I decorated it. That's all for today, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!